man. Heavy rain. Man. Ay. Let the journey begins of motorcycle ride on the street, looking for the street Vietnamese food. I am so hungry. That statue there doesn't look hungry. Where did all the food go? So, I have this bag here. Today is the day. No money, no problem. I have a 2 million. We have to go and look for food. Let's go. Let's go find some Vietnamese street food. Let's go. So we put our shoes out here first. Alright. Let's make sure that it's locked. No, so it's not locked, you see? Open the door. Come here. Then you have to do this, push this in and go outside. Close, you can see. Alright, let's go. I forgot to take the keys. I have the keys. I still need to cut my toenails. That's my motorcycle. I don't feel healthy. When I am hungry, I feel so sick. I can't make sense when I'm with people. Immediately my mood will change. I become weak. If I don't eat, I can't lose weight. There's no lift, that's what I mean. There's no lift here. You know, if you're too hungry, you can get sick easily. So, I'll give you guys a tour as we go to hunt down some Vietnamese street food. That smile I have on my face is fake because my stomach is hungry. I am frustrated. I don't know what to do. My stomach is making a lot of noise. I can't take it. My mouth feels that I am really hungry and frustrated. Different names, Honda. Why I don't have a Honda? Here, house garage. Just giving you guys a tour. I'm going to buy some food. I am so hungry. Let's go. This is mine. I can't read this.
I love you.
I'm going to look for food on the street. Food to eat. Me, I'm going to look for food. And you are asking me about my name. I know you've been so kind. Your name is?
I love you.
You love me? You love me?
Yes.
But I'm hungry. I am hungry. I need to go and eat. Huh?
Very happiness.
Very
Very happiness.
happy?
Happiness day.
Oh, where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you? It was nice to meet you, actually. It's nice to meet you.
Bye bye.
All right, cool. Goodbye. See you. Very nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. All right. And thanks for loving me. The world needs love. Thank you. Yeah, bye, bro. For the street food. hustling and bustling. Oh my God. We're hustling, looking for food. You're driving the wrong side, bro. Oh my God. All right. Hey, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Hello. Good, thank you. Coffee? Coffee? You have a coffee? No coffee. No cafe. It says coffee and music there. There it says coffee and music. There it says coffee and music. Now it starts raining. It's raining. It's raining. I am hungry. I am looking for food and I can't find the food. I don't know what to do next. Here's my bike, my motorcycle. My seat is wet. I was sitting here, that's why it's dry here. And the rest of the seat of this motorcycle is really wet. I need to find the streets where there's a lot of food. I will continue looking for food. Is there any food there? Do you have a street food? What do they have here? I am so determined. I can't find the food and it's raining. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I have something in here. I think I see something there. I am so determined to find Vietnamese street food. I'll pack it there because I'm not buying from you. All right. All right. The bike.
Yes,
I cannot pack it here because I'm not buying anything from you. I put it that side. Oh, no problem. I don't know anything. Because I'm not buying from you. That lady just told me not to park my my motorbike in front of her shop because I am not buying from her. So let's find parking. Let's find parking. But actually, it's a street food. It's not a restaurant as such. It's just a street food. They make food, they cook food, they prepare food, they put ingredients together in the food. So.
Oh, but now it's too late.
I know, it's too late. So what do I do? What do I eat? I'm looking for street food.
Oh.
And it's raining, and I am looking for food.
Bánh mì.
Bánh mì.
Hủ tiếu.
Hotel.
Yes.
Nah, I don't need a hotel. I have a place to stay. I do not need another hotel.
another hotel.
I know I live already at the hotel, so I don't need another hotel. I need street food. I need to eat. I am hungry right now. I am weak. My body is weak.
Oh yeah.
Yes, everything is weak. My body is weak. I can't talk. I can't think. If this, I will not die. I will not die at all. Yeah,
No.
I will not die. At this one, I will not die. That one, I'm afraid. I'm so afraid. Oh, look at this beautiful cat. Meow.
Maybe cat.
Baby cat, kitten. Meow, meow.
Mì tươi.
Which one? Which one is better?
Yes.
Now, no street food, so now I have to buy this. What's this? What's inside here? Is this
Chicken.
Chicken.
No, not chicken. But
Oh, I see. It looks like that. Dang. I wouldn't want to take a risk, man. I think I'll just. How much is this one? I'll just take this one.
8,000.
8,000. Let me just take this. You know. Yeah, this is okay. I will not die. Guys, it's raining. It's raining. Cats and dogs. Camera is here, right? Again, it's raining. Cats and dogs, and I'm just getting myself juice. I need to eat. There we are. This juice is made out of this. I don't know. This is the dragon fruit, right? What you making? I should make. How much? How much?
Con nào? Con này.
Hả?
Con này hả? Vô.
Oh, wait.
Con nào? Này.
No. How much? Because I was looking for food.
Cái này nè. Thơm ơi.
Okay,
Chân chi.
I know. 10. Okay.
Cái này nè, chân chi.
Okay.
Cái này là thớt chi.
10 one. 10. 10, right?
Chân
10.
chân chi.
20. Where's 10? Which one is 10? I need a cheap one.
Cái
The
này
tomato juice is how much?
Chân chi.
20. Okay, and then how much is this?
Rồi, chân chi luôn.
20 also. How much is this?
Chân chi.
20 juice. How much is this?
Thớt chi.
Ooh, no. No down. How much is this?
Chân chi.
20. This?
Thớt chi.
30. No, 15, 20, 30. No,
No.
this is how much? 20. Okay, damn. 20, 30, I mean, sorry, 30, 30, this is 30, 20, mango. Okay, I will have, give me the dragon fruit, 20, right? 20, 10, huh?
Chân chi.
20.
Màu.
Okay, Mao is 20. Okay, give me that. Let's see.
Vô.
All right, this is not clean.
Cái này.
Clean. What is this? Clean that thing. This clean, yes, but clean. Look, clean. Yeah, clean it, please.
Vô.
Yeah.
Này.
Yes, 20. Hello? Oh, this is nice. Oh, next time, this is 30, right? 30, okay, 20. Okay. Need to clean it here. I need to clean. This is, yeah, clean.
Không sồn.
Yeah.
Meal.
Yeah. Milk. Thank you. I was supposed to get food, street food, but I didn't get the food. I am still looking for food. Thank you very much. Look for money. Yeah, 20. I know. There's a milk. So there's a milk here, and dragon fruit, and a milk, which is something very interesting. Okay, let's get the money. Check here. No. Hold it. Oh no. Wait. Hold on. I have the money. I have money. Oh, let's go. Store is moving. I have this money here. So, how much is that? 50, right? 50,000? 50,000. I can have this. Then you give me a change. My juice. So there's a milk here and the dragon fruit. And it's all made from this fruit over here. God. So let's keep looking for the street food. Okay, change. What am I change? Camera is here. Keep looking at the camera, Bonnie. So yeah, I won't forget. Thank you very much. She's just reminding me to grab my food. I am hungry. Okay. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. All right, good. Good business. This one here. This one. Yes. I'm. Yeah. Here. Oh, yeah. Cross the street. Thank you once again. Wait, which one? Oh, this one here.
Đấy.
Yeah.
Đó. Ok.
Oh, this is okay.
Okay.
Very nice food. Nice. Thank you. This one here. It's okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Okay, so it's over there. Let's go there. Let's grab some food. Shucks. We need to find a street food. Why am I struggling? It's not even cold here. All right. There's no hook here, so I'm just gonna hook by the keys. Very difficult life, but this is the way it is. I'm looking for food. Where can I find food? Food. Where? No. I'm hungry. I am hungry. All right, let's switch off. Turn the keys off, and the lights goes out. Switch off the lights first. Off. Turn the. I can't take out the keys because we have that. So that lady has just promised me there's enough food here. So let's see. What do they have? I hope there's a beef here. What the hell is this? What is this? Beef? No. I wait. Oh my God, guys, this is gonna be a challenge for me to eat, but I'm just gonna do this for the, for the content. I don't know what the hell is this, guys. This looks like a dog or something, What is this? Huh? Dog? Pork. No, you don't have a beef? Whoa. If beef? This is pork, right? It's fine. I will have a pork. It's okay. Pork?
Bò.
What? Bowl.
Này con bò.
Bowl. What is a bowl? No, I cannot read that. Guys, he doesn't know what meat is this. He told me he doesn't know what meat is this. I don't know. It looks like fingers. Like how many fingers does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Just that. Let me see. Stop pointing your fingers there, bro. Fingernails are so long. No, stop touching. No touching with your fingernails. Oh yes. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna eat. If something happens to me, it's okay. Yes. Okay, let's see the preparation. Guys, when you're traveling, one thing I can tell you: don't complain. If you have enough money, go get food somewhere. So this is where they put the warm up. They're warming it. It's gonna be nice. Right. From there, I think he puts it in a plate. Here we go. It's a plate. Good. It's nice. What's next? I don't like this of watching people Yes, yes, yes. Right. Soup. They'll use this soup again tomorrow, I guess. Okay. So yeah, let's go. We will sit here. That's our street food. Spend hours and hours looking for street food. Yes, to clean that. So guys, I'm by this street here. As you can see, everybody's doing business, and it's past midnight, and we're on the street. Street food. We're eating Vietnamese street food. That's what we're doing here. There's a guy there who just woke up, and yeah, I'm gonna have mine. Cool. It's time to sit. It's time to eat. Okay, let's do some review. So you have onion there. You got that meat that he does not know which meat is that, and he poured some water there. I guess it's a soup. Then you got noodles. Then let's sit down. Chopsticks are over there. There's also things that can make you cry, especially when you are in the toilet. And you got a toothpick there. And there's a tissue just in case you wanna be hygienic, cleaning your lips, and all other spices that you can mix. And always the vegetables here to put them together. You take these vegetables, you put them in here, and that's what happens. And that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, it's time for me to eat. See you guys on the other side. I'm gonna test this food, you guys, and I'll tell you guys how. Oh my God, this sucks. I'll tell you guys how this tastes like. Since it's a meat that he does not know, so I ate the meat the cook does not know. That'll be the title of this book. Or looking for street food. I ate the meat that the cook doesn't know. I don't know what's the title. But we're gonna be, yeah. So I'm gonna grab this like this. In Vietnam, you find a lot of people. This comes first. Like they always put these things in your dish. I'll tell you guys how this tastes like. So, street food, guys. This is what we've been looking for. This is what we've been looking for. Finally, we found the dish. This is flavorful, with a steaming coming out from this bowl, and aromatic, wonderful dish. I would definitely recommend. Let's try now. I think it's something hanging. I'm calling it beef because the cook does not know what meat is this in English. Yeah, it's cool. Let's try with the chilies. I'm using these chopsticks, which is another challenge, and really wonderful. This is the pieces of meat that the cook does not know, the street cook does not know, and we're on the street here. Oh man, the sounds of motorcycles have faded. Okay. The mixture of vegetables, seedlings, and noodles, and the aromatic or aroma, flavorful, and the burst. Come here. Let me serve you. Good. All right, let's eat more, guys. I'll catch you later. Let me finish this dish. I will definitely regret later. Let's dive into it. All right, the struggle will be later for this comrade. The struggle will be later. I will regret putting this evil chilies. New customers just arrived there. New customers. Let me continue with my dish. I am not feeling well after eating chilies. Gosh. I have hiccup after eating this chilies, hot chili. I have just finished eating Vietnamese street food. If you ask me, it's better than dying from hunger. So let's head back. Well, it's time to head back. But before I head back, I need to pay. I need to pay before I head back. So let's see. So let's see how much this dish cost us. The street food. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. How much is this? What do I need to pay? Okay, 5.85. So it's always cheaper anyway. I mean, not always cheaper, but the same price that you get everywhere. This is it's $1. It's $1, so it was 35. Thank you. Always smoking. China and Vietnam, they all smoke. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, that wasn't bad. So let's head back. Let's head back home. Thank you guys. It's been nice. And as I promised you, street food from Vietnam. It's 1 o'clock in the morning right now. So let's head back home.